How's it going, everyone? So I'm here at Old Town in Orlando, Florida. On a Friday and a Saturday night, they have a car cruise. So on a Saturday, they have the classic car cruise, and then on a Friday, they have the sports car cruise, if that makes sense. Like supercars on a Friday, and muscle cars and classic American cars on a Saturday. So if you've never been here, get down here and check it out. Something different other than the parks, and you might even learn something. You can even come and have a little dance if you fancy.